240 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, in Gaza. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, June the 3rd, 2024. Not so good news today because we have only 3 regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars, Sudoku and the binary. Not so good news because in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. Only 3, yeah. So I will do 3 puzzles today. Alright, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 8647. 8647. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 8647, okay. 26. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, don't think it's a 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle has always 25. This one has 26. I think it's a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. We have 1 in this row, the 1 in the 3rd row, so the row between the 2nd row. The only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now, need to wait. How about? Need a 7 here. Need a 2 here. How about, well, in these 4 missing numbers. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. You see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the 3rd column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4, it should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 4, it should be there. 4 in the 3rd row, 4 in the 1st row, so the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4, it should be there. 4, 4, okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about? We have a 2 in this row, 1st row, 2 in the 3rd row, so the row between the 2nd row. Only place level 2 should be there. 2, okay. Well, 8. Need an 8 there. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the 1st row, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, 8 in the 1st row. So the row between the 2nd row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. Let me see. 5 and 6. 2 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers in the second row are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a pair, I believe. Yeah, we have a pair. The 1 and the 5 in the first column. The 1 and the 5 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, there are only 3 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. And look, we have 1 and 5 in the last row, so no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Then 9 and 6. Yeah, 9 and 6. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in the third column, second column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. From that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, first row. 5 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8. Wow. Oh. Need 8 there. Alright. How about the number? Yeah. We have a 9 in this column. Last column. 9 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 3, 3. Need 3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Then, let's see. 8, 8. Well, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so the last row. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and the 6, 3 and 6, let me mark those. 2 boxes, alright. 1 box left now in this row, middle row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, from the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. We have 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers the 1. The 2 is missing. And the 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. The 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left for number 7. Alright, so 2 numbers left here in this row, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left is 7, should be there. 7 and the 5, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Ay. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.